Boy, me I tell you, coming like a God send me for walk that way there, you know. Guess who me buck up in a people? No a boss we run off a series, yeah, man. So you don't know say time na no money, so from him see boss, you might have to dig a little piece of cheese off of him. So a boss pop off a $5,000 bill off a Kyle and give me and say, yo Tom, hold this guy, you have one good character in a cartoon, yeah. You no agree with him? Yeah, man. Me a go on with me little self still so far. So far, so good the people, them like I. So, as always in our life, nothing at all never come free for Tom yet. So Tom have to go do some work for $5,000 way and give me. I'm grateful still. So here one more people. Yes, uno me attack, the loyal viewers and subscribers to each channel. The man has upon an average every time he drop one episode, he get about 20,000 views from the people him. But guess what? Uno think it hard to hit the like button. That are the issue. Out of 20,000 views, sometimes him barely scrape 2,000 likes. So me I beg on, please, nobody let me down and stop in a series, man. Cause me no want him feel like say me never do a little thing when beg me for do for you know. Well, I not even beg, I tell me cause him give me money. So all him I ask on for do, I just press the like button. And if you can drop one comment, he would appreciate that. But if you not drop no comment, at least press the like button, man. And like how you not listen to me right now. Just press it right now. Nobody let me down know no people. Cause him I go look for see if the likes them increase. I mean I want him feel to say me taking money and not do anything for do. So please, nobody let down Uncle Tom, man. Press the like button.
Patrol unit in the no man's land area from police control.
Go ahead, police control, with your transmission. Officer Brown here.
Right, Officer Brown, we got reports of a wanted man seen in your area of concentration. Right along 17 Guns Drive in your area. Safe receive.
Receive control, but do you have a description of the person in question?
Right, Officer Brown, right. Just hold on for a second. I am looking that up presently. Okay, so we have here that the person in question is a criminal element known as Oney, infamous Oney. That is what we are having here. And he's standing right at the gate number 17 Guns Drive in your particular area. He's dressed in a black pants, black hoodie, and also have his crutches right beside him. But we also get to understand that Oney has a rifle leaned up right behind the walls. Yes, so that is where he is. So proceed to that location with caution. I will also be sending additional support just in case you need it. Safe receive.
Receive and noted, control. Receive and noted. I'm proceeding to that location. I am also in the company of Officer Williams. Safe receive.
Okay, Officer Brown, please be careful whilst you're proceeding, and noted.
Then Brown, a long time now me and you are walking at them streets, you know. Controller say Oney have gun lean up behind wall. Then you believe that? No, sir. Not the one where we know about. Oney a thief. If them did say Oney have one bag of goods when just thief throw down behind the wall, would I believe that? But if you have a long gun behind wall lean up a rifle like that, no, sir. Another one that we know about, man. Another one that we know about.
Boy, Willie, you're right, you know. Sometimes them people, you know, they lie like show, you know. I true them want police go hold on and Oney, man. Not more than Oney broke smaddy foot, man, and thief sitting quick and fast. Cause boy, if you're 1 foot, man, we can't even run. Me no know how him can thief say that. Hey, Oney thief bad, you know. But boy, if you then say Oney have rifle lean up behind wall there. Me no believe that neither, man. Me no believe that none at all. But me could go down Lagos where I go on still. Never want control send up. Then I need no additional support, nothing like that. I want to where I go for, man. Oney a regular youth in my street. I need no whole heap of big uproar for a man like Oney. Wastage of police resources that. You think? I could go down there still, go see where I go on. Yo, Oney, where I go on with? What kind of ranks you pull off in idea? Police control just send we down here for you, you know.
Where I say officers, police control send you down here for me. So what this poor little 1 foot man you know could I really do? Officer, me no do nothing. So what them a send for me for? Boy, them people them can't tell lie for me, see man. Boy, me no know. You come like me just can't even come out pan the strut more time can stand up and somebody no send police for me. Jano star. Officers, one in argue no problem, one in no do nothing. As I can see, regular 1 foot man nice street. Nah go out with not no tie way bossy.
Yo, what?
Lean up off firewall, turn up on your crutches, lean up off firewall, cause police control say you have rifle don't you lean up on wall or behind wall. Yo, Brown, go round behind the wall there and see if you can search and see if you find nothing behind the wall. When I feel say one is trapped still, but police control say if you check, so you don't know where to just go through the motion and do what them say. So check behind the wall there and see what you find.
Yes, sir. Willie, me find it. Control it right. Something tall lean up round here. One have something tall lean up round here for show, man.
Boy, one hey, don't move, you know, one. One don't move. At that you go on with down here, one. After Monday, I swear for you, I swear say, yo, you not have nothing like that round here. You hear what the police say? Something tall there behind the wall. One, no move, you know, one. Don't move.
Officer, what kind of tall thing you talk about? If you see no tall thing round behind the wall, officer, no my one. Officer, one in officer. Officer, one star, yo, General Star. A long time with an officer. Officer, what kind of... Yo, General Star, officer. Officer, please, star. Please, officer. Me a beg you, officer. I don't want anything that star. One in a depend them the type of levels the star. Officer, just... Yo, General Star, officer, yo.
Yo, Willie, go easy up our one. I find something tall around there still, but a 4 tall broom tied together and hide underneath one blue chapalin. That's how we know one famous for. One, how for broom them ya. A one man me know in a place we sell broom and make him lick a broom. Chano star one. Yeah, really Rasta-Man broom them a thief one. What you gonna do with the man broom them you know? Chano star one. Loads off for your star.
Yo, Brown, you know say I ram too much though, Brown. You ram too much for a big man in a yo. Suppose I did make me slap all 2 shots in a 1 too much plate, you know. You would have hear say, boy, I'm a charge all for y'all, murder for your 1 foot man. Jano star, Brown, you ram too much star. But swear says alright for you find around there for cho. Cause control says something tall lean up behind it.
Yo, Willie, but on a serious note, still, me not say nothing wrong to you. Me say, yes, me find it something tall around a lean up. Then there's some tall broom that lean up around here, tie up together and that's a palin. Me not say nothing wrong, and Concho never say nothing wrong neither. Concho say them get reports, say something tall, lean up behind the wall. Me go behind the wall, and go find something tall. So are you too jumpy? Ah, boy, take it easy, my friend, with it. Take it easy.
Officer. Hold on the officer. Hold on the family officer. Me a forward.
But ratted, Brown. The Rasta-Man this fee broom them. See Rasta forward, you know. See Rasta forward. I Rasta this a forward, you know. Yeah, but Rasta go really see it out. Cause boy, one, you're in a problem, you know, one. You're in a problem.
Jobless up the eye them in officers, but it come like a the Almighty send the eye them pan the location right away for hold on pan that thief in 1 foot boy in a Rasta. You know say I and I spend a whole heap of time officers for make I and I broom them for go up on the road for go juggle so I and I can buy some isla loose so the I and I can eat and stay healthy and fit. And this like a thief in 1 foot boy a Rasta. Thief I and I broom them. Can you imagine a 1 foot boy move so fast? I just go in the house in the Rasta. If go get I and I a glass of ice water, you know. Cause the eye thirsty. And by the time the eye come out the eye house, the eye broom them gone. All me could see I go through the gate is the thief in 1 foot boy a hop with fast. Me never know say a 1 foot man could have run. But the eye moves so swift. By the time the eye go in at the eye house and go draw on the eye pants, cause the eye did only in a underpants Rasta. So you know so the Rasta-Man can't be seen in the streets in a so-so underpants. By the time the eye draw on the eye underpants and say me must can't catch him back because he's a 1 foot dude. The eye disappear out of the eye eyesight eye and eye broom them just gone. So I know say this 1 foot boy must be somewhere in the community and who and behold at the eye them hold on pan the youth for the eye so the eye can get back eye things. So thanks to you Rastafari, love and bless up in officers. Me can get back my broom them now eye.
Alright, Rasta-Man, we hear you, man, we hear you. We have your broom them still, but one know if I want to press charges pan the boy one you know. Me could know what to do. So we can come down our station, go throw him in our cell. A boy a too thief for real, Rasta-Man. Him too thief. And need to press some charges pan him.
But Rasta-Man, what that me see have bulge in your waist, so I and I no want no violence from the eye now. Because I no want the eye hurt the eye. So what that you have bulging in your waistband, Rasta-Man? Talk to me the Rasta-Man, but here we go on, make I ask you a favor. Why you tell me what you have in your waistband without using the word I? Because when I time I hear the eye talk about so much I, the eye have to cover the I because the I swear, so the eye I go juke out the I. So I don't want you use no whole heap of I, Rasta-Man. Just speak to me regular. I don't want you use the word I, none at all.
Alright officer, but I and I just have a eye speaking a eye man waistband still.
Yo, Rasta, so you not hear what the officer just say? The man say no use no farmer I in your sentence. Communicate without using the word I. That's what I want you to do.
Alright officer, but that kinda hard for the I to use the word I in a I man sentences, them still in a Rasta. But the I go try still. So me man have a me sprick in a me man waistband.
Boy, Willie, you better you make the man use him I them because at least me understand that. But me man have a me sprick in a me man waistband. My last, me no know whether me code had that. Hey Rasta, tanti na use the them ya Rasta. Cause me don't understand nothing what you just say. That coming like a Chinese arithmetic. Me never know say people could attack in a join up. Cause right now Rasta, me not understand a word.
A simple thing still in the officer, the kind of technical, but the eye have to formulate a way to make the officers them understand what the eye and I say. So the officers say the eye shouldn't use an eye, so the eye just replace the eye with a me. So instead of the eye say I man have a eye sprick in a I man waistband, the eye just say me man have a me sprick in a me man waistband. You understand the eye, Rasta?
Hey, Rasta-Man, you forgot about comedy boost to the Rasta-Man. Hey, you're the easy, you're full of joke, you're funny, Rasta. You're a real sample, man. But what you want with a deal right now with a 1 foot boy? Because the man rob your broom them in a Rasta. So me, I say, yo, press some charges upon him, man. Make him go spend a few days down at jail and think about way and deal with the Rasta-Man, man. And violate the Rasta. So him figure Babylon jail cell. What you say, Rasta? Press some charges?
Yes, I want the item to press some charges upon this thief in 1 foot boy. A long time now the I born with them type of thing in the community, man. So a full time now the I learn him lesson and got jail. So officers, do what the I them have to do, you know. The I will come and testify. Yeah.
You hear that one? Your goose cook you now. The Rasta-Man said the eye for lock up the eye. So guess what now, Wani? The eye need to up right into the back of that police unit cause the eye going to jail. Yes, I.
So officers, the eye can get back I broom them for go up and eye juggling for go make some money.
Not yet in a Rasta. Guess what go on? You have to come down our station, come give us a report by everything. Then we can release back the broom them in your custody so you can go by your juggling as it. Or you have to just come down our station first, come give a statement and sign to it. And we'll take it from this up.
Alright, officers, the eye will meet the eye them down at the station in a few, cause the eye have to go ride the eye bicycle, come down at the station, come talk to the eye them, your side.
Alright, Rasta, we'll see you down in our station in a few, is it?
Roll call. Prisoner, get up. What's your name? What's your name, prisoner?
I mean, I'm a tool in a mama, yo. Police, you're sexy, man. Mama, you're thick like when time you try to drain out glow out a bottle. Yeah, man. And I say, yo, officer, you're nice, you know?
You try move fire, sir. Both your name hot tool. What kind of name that for bad man? Both people tick like when time glow a drain out a bottle. Where you get fear foolishness them from? Go on, yeah?
Go easy, no man, mama, man. How you talk about, man? For a year, the name hot tool, you don't know where that representing, mama. Yeah, talk, man. But now you understand the shapes in a mama. Hot tool. Put the two and two together, man, and just make it make some sense, mama. But yeah, man.
Argument you try put to the officer, you know, with feel like a sweet mountain and that me come here about, you know. When I want you do you need to tell me about the shooting we're going over upon the Friday. Me need to know about that shooting that we're going upon no man's land, so when BaddaDan get shot. That's what you need to tell me, say. And if you not start talk up, remember me tell you, say, you're going to spend the next couple of months around here.
I say, man, mama, man, another month locked down around here with you. Just make the detective know we're in charge of the case, say, yo. Him for just do him, because as long as me and you locked down around here, me nah no problem, mama. What you talk about, man? You're not looking at your mirror more time, mama. Channel star, me and tell you, yo. I first police me ever see look so good star.
You try watch your mouth in our tool. You need to remember see you're talking to an officer in our tool. You need to remember see you're talking to an officer.
Watch you, mommy. Hear what me I say, man. Your breast them look impressive, mama. Right now to how the breast them look impressive. You make me feel like me want to start play chess. Hear what me I say, the officer. Big man levels. Big woman levels. Yo, mother share all that titty with one eye pitting them in a mama. That me depot, you know.
But wait. I wonder if this prisoner boy you know says an officer of the line attack. You feel like say you can't catch a police woman with a little sweet mouth?
Oh, you mean if my mouth sweet, mama, where I say, man, right now, you need to go check your blood sugar card, the amount of sweetness so me I send your way in idea, yeah. It not gone normal, mama. Oh, yeah, say, man, I done said this already, and I say it again, you know. You're one of the nicest police woman them me ever seen, you know. So here we go on, you know. You say when you go around at the CIB office, talk to the detective for me there, please. I want you to make him know so I need to change the charge. Now, but with no personal interest. Tell him to change it to a person where you interested in, mama. What you say, man?
Okay. Is that so? Upgrade the charges from a person of interest to a person where you're interested in. You're full of sweet mouth, though.
You hear me I say them, my mama. Nobody too load up the thing. But upon a big man levels, you know, you need to give you like a chance still, you know. I want you give me a chance to say if the police are really mean it.
Prisoner, do I need to remind you that you're speaking to an officer? Mind the language.
Go easy, no man, mama, man. Nobody too load up the thing, man. Don't say you want me, no mama. If you're never interested, you wouldn't dare so right and have a whole argument with me. So here I go on, mama. I want you to give me a chance. A long time would I really want a chance for dip on top of the law, literally, no mama. I know you can do that for me. Away I say, man, man, that would I feel good for dip on top of the law for you first in my life. What you say? Boss, my man.
Tool. You're a DJ or what? Come here, you give the police woman beer lyrics over there. So what happen? Entertain the general, no man. You know have a whole heap of lyrics. So yeah, do.
Go easy upon them argument, no man, about entertainment. What kind of entertainment talk that you make, brother? No, man, me not entertain, man. Entertainment is strictly reserved for the ladies. That's why you see me in a squad is like a ticks over there, so. A entertainment that at its fullest, brother. The entertainment business round here. That can't hurt ya.
Hey boy, a tool. You know say coming like you forget how it sell you in and how which general you there on. Hey boy, I told you, feel lucky say I even in a jail man there. Cause I would arrest me like in your face and breeze cock it right and on a boy, I told. How you try to violate the general. Man say you have a DJ, so I told. TG. And furthermore to you, boy. I don't want you just do any type of song neither. I want you do a godly song. I want to see you versatile you be like how you say you have lyrics. Give me a godly tune. I want you hear sitting about God. You hear that? So I told. What I say if you do?
DJ, my general, DJ. Alright, my boss. Just go easy, man. Channel star, yo. Channel, yo. The eye them now for deal with me saying a star. Yo, when time the eyes to the man them in the streets, I love and respect, you know, man. I never try to diss a man or violate a man, you know. But true me, a man seller now in a jail, you know, so man can't defend it. So when I deal with man star, big up on yourself still, man. I just live still, but I got DJ still. Me a DJ, man. No say I what, man. Me a DJ.
Well, yes, a squeeze I am for DJ something about God. But here what me I say, which God? Cause I can't me see him God with the Christian then serve you talk about. Cause this a boy a tool a criminal like how he know. And I see him God them boy I serve with us. So which God I told? Which God I got sick about?
Yeah, man, I say, man, my general, man. Then the most the one almighty true God me I talk about my general, man. I say, man, remember, you know, my general, said the same God will fall the rain upon the just. And the same God will fall the rain upon the unjust. And even though we are the unjust, our Jah guide and protection, same way that I keep a whole level, my boss. Yeah, man, now I say, man. So you are told, TG.
And squeeze when you get so religious. But alright still. You're right.
So squeeze I got beat the rhythm and make my DJ though, don't.
Yeah, man, now I say, man, may we beat the rhythm, man, but you ever gone. Hey, boy. Make sure you say no foolishness you got DJ, you know. So make sure you say lyrics are drop. Like how me here you drop lyrics in a police galleys. So yo, read them up.
Yo. 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 Watcha. Yo. Watcha. Yo.
Hey boy, I told. I be a yo watch me a here, you know. A DJ you fi DJ, mind me have to make squeeze I fix you, know, boy. DJ.
Oh, easy, my boss. Just give me a little chance, man. I warm up to a thing, man. A long time I don't do this, man, especially in front of an audience, or nothing, you know. Cause me just a like a bathroom DJ, you know, my general. Just give me a chance to warm up, man. I gotta deal with it, man. Yo. Watch out. Yo. Watch out. Mix me. Dear Lord, as I come before thee, destroy the pestilence before me, prepare a table before thee. I and behold, heaven declare the glory. My Lord and my Savior, now stand by while good man bow at the knee, but what is to be must be. We no go out without my 42 plus 3. Yo, God a day, God a night, Jesus, Sarja, whichever one you like. Yo, God a night, God a day, as how it said, couldn't go no other way, you see. God a day, God a night, Jesus, Sarja, whichever one you like. Yo, God a night, God a day, as how it said, couldn't go no other way. Yo, Them say me slack to the brim, but to give me the powers within. For right get a him, right now me the hear jailer sing. And squeeze I beat, I man with him. Yo, long as blood under my skin, you nah see the youth and a mouth and a pin. One life is either you're out or you're in. Through the first stone who is without sin. God a day, God a night, Jesus, Sarge, whichever one you like. Yo, God a night, God a day. I saw it set up, couldn't go no other way. You see it, God a night, God a day.
Boy, y'all hot channel, the boy bad.
You know, I boy bad for true, me general. And them they are sharp up and a size up me and Miguel, you know. They slap him too hard years back if he chat no full lyrics, you know, my boss. But the boy bad. We tell the boy if he give me a God song and the man makes beer badness in a godness. A how and we. Him bad for real, my boss. The man say, Dear Lord, as I come before thee, destroy the pestilence before me. The part where the man say, me no go out without my 42 plus 3. Me get it. I'm 45 in now, left me general. The man mix the badness with the godness, him bad for real.
Yo, I told you, no, see a way if you compare on when tire jump out of jail cell the door you. Yeah, man. You're not feeling a badness business. You feel left badness alone and take your talent serious, youth. When you hear a man like me, BaddaDan, can say you left a badness. You hear me, I say, youth, a real talk. Me have all a studio up on the ends in a youth. But we boss your man. And me have my producers, them. Me have everybody around me in a youth. Youth, you have talent, left a badness, and go out in a world and go show the world, say, yo, hot tool, full of lyrics. Yeah? And you hear the name there, hot tool, people will gravitate to your youth. Because on Squeeze I say you mix the badness with the godness, you're tough.
Yo, John was star, my general, and I get me emotional star, especially with BaddaDan just say a while ago star. Yo, John was star. Yo, the Almighty Creator never wrong, you know. Him say so my time him will use all the devil for bless you. I see it, you know. And the man them will me a fire shot pan for years, and the man them will a fire shot pan me for years. We have to take each other life. Right now, a general BaddaDan a show me love star. Man, I say me need for walk from badness as a bad man himself. Yo, John was star. This have me all teary-eyed and emotional, right, you know, but General BaddaDan, me hear what you say, you know, where you say all good and well, you know, but it is easier said than done. Me too far gone, man, me in too deep. Even if I would want to walk away and focus on my talent, which I bless me with star, can't do it. Because I know say if me ever make a step on the General GeGuh them way there. I know them man they evil, you know, man. Them man they I don't sing about, you know, in name Lord evil, you know. The man they would have send a man come slap a shot in my head back quick and fast, man. And if I did just me alone, him would have hurt. I may lay on my bed, some would have just lay down in the night and accept the fate and just know, say, yo, I saw it go. But yo, me have youth, me have family, me have mother. And me know them man they are going to try to get to them people there first if him can't hold me quick and fast. I mean, I want my youth, them have to suffer for the things them were me do. So boy, coming like I just my life, this brother. I just hit this to me. People can't do no better than what me I do right now. Really sad, but I saw a shop set still. But love and respect for the love still. And for the one them for believe in the eye still. So the eye can make it out of being a DJ. Love and respect still in a BaddaDan. Yeah man. Bless up yourself man. You're really out.
Yes, Mr. Sir, Mr. Morris, sir. You heard me right. I am your daughter.
Young woman, are you mad? Are you on drugs or something? I have no other child in this world other than my daughter, Rachel. So I have no idea what you are talking about. Who is your mother, by the way?
My mother named Susan, sir, but them used to call her Ati Ati Sue or Bad Sue back in her younger days. You know her?
Hattie Susan, Hattie Sue, or Bad Sue. Where she come from? She come from over the Board Villa part of No Man's Land? Is that where she's from? That name really rings a bell.
Yes, Mr. Sir. She same one from over Board Villa. A one Bad Sue upon the app. As she thought, Mr. Sir. Yes, sir. You just confirm everything for yourself over Board Villa, No Man's Land, Hattie Hattie Sue, and my mother that.
Yes, you are right. My memory is coming back very clear to me right now. Bad Sue, or Hattie Sue from over Board Villa from over No Man's Land. That's a place that I used to attend some street parties when I was younger. And I did meet your mother. You are so right. I heard some years ago that she did give birth to a little baby girl. But I had no idea at all that that baby girl was any relation to me. Little girl, I would love to meet you very soon. We have a lot to discuss and a lot to talk about. It is a very long story, way too much for us to have on the telephone. So I need for you to meet me up sometime very soon. Give me a phone number. Text me a number right away so I can contact you. And then we can meet and have a really long sit-down talk. And I can fill in all the blanks for you. But I don't know. This is really surprising. And the timing could not have been any better. We have been searching for you for years.
What? Dad, really?
Yes, Rachel, sadly, but yes, it's a very long story though. After I finish this call with this young lady, I'll sit you down and explain everything to you, okay?
What the hell, Herbert? You cheated on me and got another child in that dirty-ass ghetto place, no dance lag? For the love of God, Herbert, I can't believe you.
No. You all need to just relax and calm down. After I get off this phone with this young woman, I will explain everything to you all. And then you will understand.
So, Mr. Sir, a way I go make them understand, Mr. Morris, sir. A way I go make them understand. Say, me your daughter, and that I go make them understand, Mr. Morris, sir.
Yes, my child, I will have to sit them both down and explain everything to them so they can understand that you are now my daughter by default. So I will have to take full responsibility and care of you right now. And you are definitely going to be a part of our family. I will sit them down, talk with them after, so they can fully understand what is happening.
What the hell? Herbert, what are you saying?
My God. Dad. What?